Yo, what's up guys? DankMemes458 here, back with a brand new video. And today, hey, you're actually uploading, yep. I'll upload a Mako Shark statue. Hold on. You go lock the door so no one comes in. Just in case they didn't get the memo. Not Coca-Cola. Drink that later. Good stuff. Today we're tackling a topic I've been wanting to cover for a long time. I was just waiting until it got really, really bad. And you know what? December 1st, 2017 is the worst time for it. And the topic we're talking about is children's YouTube channels. Stuff like Beep Beep TV and Toys in Japan. I'm gonna mainly cover those two, because those are really the only two I know. Yeah. So, let's start off with Toys in Japan. Toys in Japan is, well, let's just say his videos are interesting. 5 little Mickey Mouses jumping on the bed. They're good for memes, yes. But if you're letting like 1 through 7-year-olds, nah, more like 1 through 5-year-olds watching this content, I really don't think so. Because you have this one video with a guy whose name I'm not going to mention because my video might get demonetized and take it down for using a bad word. Yet, that guy jumping on the bed. Like, seriously? You're letting kids watch that? No. Don't do that. I stay away from the memes that would trigger people, like really, really bad. I try to stay with the more good memes, spicy memes like Spoderman and SpongeGar and Biggie Cheese. Spiciest memes. Real spicy. So I have this. Oh yeah, I still have that. Oh, there it is. I've been looking for that. Oh boy. Oh boy. That was my other PlayStation 4 controller, mate. It was pretty good. Now I could do multiplayer. But anyways, like, don't show that to kids. Like, why is it even on YouTube Kids? Like, I get it. It's nursery rhymes. Kids listen to nursery rhymes when they're like 1 through 5. I get it. Don't be ruining the nursery rhymes with bad people. And yeah. So now we're gonna be covering the worst out of the two. Beep Beep TV. Beep Beep Richie. Sorry, I've been watching too much of it. Is that where you've been? Yes! But Beep Beep TV, oh my god, this is the absolute worst YouTube channel, and it's getting subscribers and attention from doing this. By making controversial crap which could lead his YouTube channel into being taken down. Oh, this is a special YouTube channel right here. Real special one. He's got, oh, Spider-Man, yeah, it's like the best. Spider-Man is the best. And oh yeah, I'm Frozen the Great, and so let's just get Elsa in there too. Even though they're completely copyrighted characters, yeah, let's just use them. And then they go off and make bad content with them. First of all, they make smaller versions of them to do bad stuff. Sounds innocent enough, right? But if you realize that bad stuff is like gore, gore, violence, toxifying, ejection, and all kinds of other garbage like that. Like, don't show that to kids. Stealing and all that, etc., etc., etc. I can't think of anything else save for that part. But seriously, don't show that to kids. They'll probably get the wrong idea and be like, oh, I learned that from YouTube, so it's gotta be right. And so they would do that their entire life. And then they'll grow up to be criminals. Do you really want that? And also, the parents should be a little, just a tiny bit more aware of what their child is watching when they're like 1 or 5, or 1 through 5, sorry. Because if they're watching garbage like that, they should be like, oh no. Heck no, no. Bad. Don't watch that. That's got bad content. And then I'm gonna change it to like Mickey Mouse. Sorry, I had to do that. And it got so bad that it even landed on the news. Seriously? If you're that bad and you land on the news, what kind of sick, twisted person would do that? I'm gonna find this guy, report his YouTube channel, take him down. And with the help of you people, well, I'll take him down. We'll take down his YouTube channel and all of his videos. Now, if you're with me, leave a comment, like, subscribe, turn on notifications. See you guys in the next video. Stay spicy, my memers.